Garlic and honey have many proven health benefits. You can enjoy their beneficial properties by using them alone or together. They can be taken as medicinal supplements or added to recipes in their natural form. Garlic and honey have been used in traditional medicines around the world. The main health ingredient in garlic is allicin. It contains oxygen, sulfur, and other chemicals that give garlic antibacterial and disease-fighting properties. Honey is naturally high in antioxidants called flavonoids and polyphenols. These chemicals help to fight inflammation in the body. This can help balance the immune system and prevent certain illnesses. Honey also has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Health benefits of garlic and honey. In traditional Ethiopian medicine, a type of local honey is used to treat breathing problems, skin infections, and even diarrhea. Some kinds of honey also have powerful antiviral properties. This may help treat or prevent colds, flus, and other illnesses caused by viruses. A lab study found that Manuka honey was able to stop the flu virus from growing. The researchers concluded that honey, especially Manuka honey, worked almost as well as antiviral drugs against this virus. Garlic is traditionally used to treat colds and coughs. It's also reported to boost the immune system and help ease asthma symptoms. A rap in traditional medicine recommended garlic to help treat heart disease, high blood pressure, arthritis, toothache, constipation, and infections. A lab study found that garlic and honey's combination slowed or stopped the growth of bacteria that cause illness and infections, including pneumonia and a kind of food poisoning. Another lab study showed that a combination of garlic juice and honey was even able to stop types of bacterial infections that cannot be treated by antibiotic drugs. Here's how to make a garlic and honey mixture to use as a natural cure to strengthen your immune system and keep your body healthy. Ingredients: 3 to 4 heads of garlic, 1 cup of raw honey, a small jar with a lid. Directions: separate the heads of garlic into single cloves. Don't peel the cloves, but take off the outer layer. Fill the jar with the unpeeled garlic cloves. Slowly pour the honey over the cloves. Use a spoon to take out any trapped air bubbles. Make sure the cloves are fully covered by the honey and put the lid on the jar. Let the mixture sit to soak for a few days in the fridge or at room temperature. Taste and enjoy. You can